Yo bushan for chamuni na o yesudimu kwesiada no video bi na trend AMANKWAH react here concerning Pr0phet BADU KOBI or can some cryptic message be to WOMAN for fans and be by was answer the for wa reply na well in your time in the aha.
I think Friday,
I
spoke, and in my message, I talked about Ashanti women. And it is trending everywhere. And those who understand me, understand me. Those who don't understand me, also don't understand me. Now, the truth is that so I'm going to use about 2-3 minutes to speak and help people. The truth is so simple. When you don't understand truth, you don't understand truth. Now you see, when God in Genesis chapter 1 said, "Let there be light," he was not speaking about this light. He was speaking about the word order. Let everything go back to where it originally was before there was confusion in the earth. I've told pastors around me and people around me, if you hear a statement, there's a difference between a statement and interpretation. If they are worried about it, then the future, there are so many things I'm going to say. What is happening now is that some have even turned it into political. That some say they are for MPP, they will fight me. And a whole lot. But you see, when you are dealing with naive people, that is how their behavior will be. So listen to me. I remember when I said once that if God asks me, when God gives you money, why don't you buy car for the poor? I said a poor person can't handle car. So a poor person cannot handle the maintenance. Every material is sustained by material. Also, when I said I will not allow my daughter to marry a poor man, they never understood and they castigated me. But you see, interpretation is different from statement. A poor man is not the one without money. A poor man is a poor mind. And also, there are 7 characteristics of a person. There are 7 characteristics of a tribe. And I'm going to quickly say this and leave it and come back another day to interpret more. When we talk about a person, we are talking about the person's appearance, the person's character, the person's value, the person's passion, the person's future. And when it becomes 7, that is for a person. Now, and including the character of the person. Including the character of the person. Now, when we talk about a tribe is also qualified by 7 things. There is the name of the tribe. There is the attitude of the tribe. There is the passion of the tribe. They are 7. And last Friday, what I said, it's not about Ashantis. It's about Ashanti woman attitude. And I said I've done my research. If you have not done yours, go and do yours. And one of the things I found out was that even when an Ashanti woman is going to marry, the family tells him, when you go, things go well, bring it back. When you go, things don't go well, come back. The question is, what kind of marriage are you giving to the person? And I even added and said, if my daughter goes to marriage and behaves like the Ashanti, when Ashanti, I'm talking about attitude. And when she comes back, it is not my matter. So you see, if you don't understand a man. Now you go on social media, let's just bash him. I cannot be bashed. I am beyond bashing.
No!
Now let me tell you something. Spiritual men are different. Today I told somebody something. I will end it quickly and continue with what is important for you. And then whether tomorrow or Sunday, I will expatiate it. Jesus said, they hear, but they don't understand. Now, can I continue?
Yeah.
So let me tell you something. Can I talk? On this earth, nothing destroys all of us than our inherited attitudes. Now, can I shock you yesterday? Those who are wise started asking me questions, but those who are fools started the bashing. The wise and a very reputable Ashanti old woman sent me a chart. Man of God, you are wise, and that we Ashanti women, by reason of our inherited attitudes, need prayers.
Asante ni oba onimdifo obaka sebi anwen nsam begumi fu sa papa wo ye onyansafo na sanse me wa ka cheze ye asantefo mba no ye nya ese suban be ye give ebusuam tinu ye nya nchirechiremu.
I want to can I continue?
Yeah.
So let me tell you something. Can I talk? On this earth, nothing destroys all of us than our inherited attitudes. Now, can I shock you yesterday? Those who are wise started asking me questions, but those who are fools started the bashing. The wise and a very reputable Ashanti old woman sent me a chart. Man of God, you are wise, and that we Ashanti women, by reason of our inherited attitudes, need prayers.
Asante ni oba onimdifo obaka sebi anwen nsam begumi fu sa papa wo ye onyansafo na sanse me wa ka cheze ye asantefo mba no ye nya ese suban be ye give ebusuam tinu ye nya nchirechiremu.
I want to say something. Keep it. And those who are listening should listen. Amongst every tribe, there is the attitude, and there's the changed person. I am not referring to all Ashantis as that. But I am hating Ashanti inherited wrong attitudes. They are changed Ashantis. And they will not bash me because they are changed. But those who know they are not changed, they will bash me. I'm not bothered. We will continue. Now let me tell you something. They came back to you and said, so listen, why have Igbos not yet gotten to the highest office of Nigeria?
And now some you tell me, I didn't Igbo fu into me do Nigeria mambo be a crop.
They are the richest.
One was sikapa.
They are the brainiest.
Why
have they not gotten there?
That's why I didn't say woman do her.
Things like the BADU KOBI can answer.
Sansa met is a BADU KOBI never to a year.
So if you don't understand
it is a one
things, go and ask.
And
just because you have social media, you go there, BADU KOBI, he's a fool, he's stupid. What BADU KOBI is saying, you need years to understand.
Amen. It's a Ababunta Betty Wukoswa, not a media would gusu, BADU KOBI Jimmy, BADU KOBI can win and Fibe Presa.
Therefore, my word to every tribe is simple. Shed of that inherited wrong attitudes. I'm through. We are some American, some Ghana. Everyone listen to only this. I'm speaking proverbially. You are the head of a tribe, but you never married in the tribe. Who are you? Who got the answer?
Jobusianfo reply na mekra na maboto jese share the ekoswa anoding anoding. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. But I so about it say mo claim say prophet Kofi Oduro tribalism na watro bibi e woni Facebook watro bibi Facebook na say eno or the buy press rejoinder. My attention has been drawn to a circulating video with an implication of tribalism. I wish to state emphatically that the said video is an excerpt out of a video that rather speaks against tribalism. I therefore issue this rejoinder to retract the mischievous misrepresentation and duly apologize to all blessings. Into way ye messenger Prophet Kofi Oduro etrogu Facebook. Ode chirimu say video na asabna no oka no. He wasn't supporting tribalism. He was rather bashing tribalism. He was against tribalism. And Mamun take it now in a different context. Bloggers ni bi claim say the video no support the about out kwesiada no and answer Friday no. No. See the video no is a different message altogether. He was talking about something different. And yes. And as we bloggers, we should be very, very careful. The kind of information that you pushy about social media, so no, you should be very, very careful. Na yene Ghana be ejina so, ebesen so ejina so. The kind of information that you pushy about bonteno, we should be very, very careful. Intebusian for yes, so inshiramo no nyam kese. Ma mi hu ma adwene e comment section ho. Enen so share me e wo live. And then so shame and then number our live the effects of cohabitation. Yes, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. And we this topic. Say I was say oba it took quite an maso. In so ben and I was so and then number Ghana time no 7 p.m. UK time 8 p.m. and USA time and so 3 p.m. Yes, on Shramon on Yamokase. Peace. Shalom. I love you all. We shall see ourselves once again.